Hello friends, today I am going to show how to dual boot your Windows and Prime OS, which is an Android OS for your PC. So first we need to have a disk partition. First we need to create a disk partition of other type. So come on, let's begin. First we need to create a disk partition. So type disk partition on the search menu, then go on to create and format hard disk partitions, then open it. Just wait, and then it is opened. Then as you can see, I have my 4 drives and I have created separate volumes, and now shrink volume. I'm going to create a new volume with this high volume. Then I'm going to shrink volume. I need somewhat like 40 G 40 GB, mean 40 GB of space, so I'll give 40,000. Then I'm going to shrink, and this is unallocated. And now I'm going to create a new volume, and then go for simple volume, and I'll name it as P, as the name stands for Prime OS. Then we go next. Then after that we are leaving same. Then I'm going to name it as Prime OS. I'm going to label it. So after labeling it, just hit on next. Then after next, it will format your the new partition disk, and you can see that 39.06 GB, which is almost 40 GB of space. And now let us go and download the Prime OS, official Prime OS, from the official website. As you can search or you can use any browser. I'll use Google Chrome. I will search for Prime OS. Then I'll download from the official website. Download Prime OS. You have 3 options, whichever you can download. I think I am suitable with Prime OS mainline because it's the beta version. Mainline. I will download the ISO image because it's very easy to boot your device through ISO image. It's just about 1.1 GB. See, as you can see, you need to click here to start download. After that, it will direct you to another link. That is, as you can see, it is 1.1 GB size. Then this one. Then you should go to primary download. Then after that, the download will start automatically. As you can see, Prime OS mainline ISO I have downloaded already, so I'll cancel it. Then as you can see, I have already downloaded. It's here, Prime OS mainline 0.4. So as you can see, then the next step is to boot your Prime OS. I'm copying it here, then refresh it. Then after that, I'm going to make a bootable pen drive of Prime OS. So to make a bootable pen drive of Prime OS, I use the software Rufus. I will give you the link below the description. Just download it. I have already downloaded it, and you should run it as administrator because Rufus is the best software, and my PC runs on GPT. So I will insert my USB pen drive, and I have inserted it. Now I'll copy the disk image. Then I have pasted here. I'll go and copy the disk image. It has already copied. Then my partition scheme is GPT. So GPT, my PC's partition scheme. Then you need to check your PC partition scheme, and I'll keep it as FAT32 default. Then after that, then let's start, and I'll go with the recommended write an ISO image mode, because for UEFI mode it is suitable. Then it will take almost some few 10 minutes to make a bootable pen drive of your Prime OS. I'll skip this and I'll fast forward it, and my bootable ISO file is ready with my pen drive. So I just need to restart my phone, restart my PC. And now I'm going to restart my PC. I'm going to show you how to boot it. So after restarting my PC, I'm fast forwarding it, and you need to press F12. For my PC is F12 for Dell. Then I'll see, as you can see, USB drive is inserted, SanDisk. I'll select that one. My mode is UEFI mode. Then I'll click on Prime OS installation. I'll go for Prime OS installation. After that it will load some while, just few minutes, just it's a matter of seconds. Then after that I have already created a partition file which is known as prime file, prime disk, the partition disk. I'll go for it. As you can see, 39.06 GB. I have almost created a 40 GB disk. I'll go for it and press OK for that prime partition. Then I'll go for ext4, then OK, and you need to give S to format. The whole partition will be formatted. Whole partition means that the only that 40 GB partition. And then you need to install the grub 2. It is a bootloader, and then you need to delete it. That I have already downloaded the Prime OS already. It will delete, and it will take some few minutes. I have fast forwarded it, so it might take some 5 to 6 minutes. Then after that it will sync to disk. Then I am going to reboot it, and I will remove my USB drive. You need to remove your USB drive, then press reboot, and I'll remove my USB drive. Then after that the PC is going to reboot almost. Then the reboot option is here, and the grub loader is here. Then if you want your Windows is below and the Prime OS is above. Then click on Prime OS. Then it's being loaded. I have fast forwarded it. It may take some while to load. Then OK, then enter your name and your details, and then accept the license terms, and your PC is just on the go enjoy. It's a very good Android OS. It's almost very smooth, and you can root this Prime OS. It won't affect your PC. It's a very smooth. It has same Android features and very smooth features. You can change wallpapers, you can download any Android apps, you can play the PUBG, which is a very wide played games. You can, everything is almost same like Android. You can connect Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything, brightness, sound. It's a very good OS for PC, I think so. There are other OSs also, like Phoenix OS, Fide OS, but I think this is the smoothest one. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching my video.